Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with H&R Block for health insurance reconciliation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the H&R Block website. Once on the home page, locate the Healthcare tab in the main menu. Click on the Healthcare tab to access health insurance options. Next, look for the section that mentions health insurance reconciliation and click on it. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you need to create an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you have completed the form, submit it to create your account. If you are logging in, enter your email address and password in the login fields. After you gain access to your account, navigate to the reconciliation section. Here, you will find options related to your health insurance coverage. Select the year for which you are reconciling health insurance information. You may need to provide details about your health insurance provider. Input your 1095 form information if you received advance premium tax credits. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues later on. Review your entries carefully before moving to the next step. Once confirmed, submit your reconciliation application. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your application has been successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up instructions or confirmations from H&R Block. That's it. You've now registered with H&R Block for health insurance reconciliation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.